Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Horizon Homes. If you're shopping for a new home, then you're in the right place. Today we are comparing two of the top home builders in Port St. Lucie, Florida, Kolter Homes and Mattamy Homes. Both of these builders have made a big impact in the area, and whether you're looking for an active, relaxing lifestyle or a family-friendly neighborhood, there's something for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of which builder might be the right fit for you. If you're new to our channel, my name is Laura McClelland. I am a local real estate agent in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I work alongside my partner, Michael Borgen. As new home construction specialists, we're here to help buyers from all over who are ready to make the move to Port St. Lucie. With our local expertise and deep understanding of the area, we'll guide you through the entire process from start to finish and help you find the best value for your dream home. The best part is your agent's commission is paid for by the builder, so there's no extra cost to you and there's no advantage to working directly with the builder. Navigating new developments can feel overwhelming, but we're here to simplify the process and answer all of your questions and support you every step of the way, from your first tour to closing day. Before you visit any of the model centers, be sure to reach out to us first. Having proper representation ensures that you're getting the guidance and the advocacy that you deserve. Let us help make your home buying journey seamless and enjoyable. Feel free to call, text, or email us to get started on your home buying journey. All right, now let's dive in. Let's start with Kolter Homes. If you're looking for homes with high-end features and neighborhoods with lots of amenities, Kolter is a great option. They don't just build houses, they focus on creating a lifestyle. Whether you're retiring, staying active, or raising a family, Kolter has communities that cater to all ages and stages of life. What makes Kolter stand out is their attention to detail. Their homes feature 11-foot 4-inch ceilings in the main living areas, making the space feel open and bright. They also include tall sliding glass doors and transom windows above, which lets in tons of natural light. In comparison, Mattamy offers 10-foot ceilings, which are nice, but Kolter's designs really take it up a notch in terms of openness. Kolter also focuses on giving buyers plenty of choices. They typically only build homes once you're under contract, so you can customize your home to fit your needs and style. They offer 36 to 42 structural options, giving you flexibility to create a home that feels just right. Some of Kolter's popular neighborhoods in Port St. Lucie include Astor Creek Golf and Country Club, PGA Verano, Rivella, and Mosaic. If you're into golf, you'll love that Kolter builds many of their communities around golf courses. And the best part is you don't even have to buy a golf membership to enjoy the community. Kolter also prioritizes social spaces like clubhouses and event areas. It's so easy to meet your neighbors and stay active. When it comes to quality, Kolter builds with concrete block construction and includes hurricane impact resistant windows and exterior doors, both of which are perfect for the Florida weather. They use GE appliances in their homes, which are high quality and reliable. While the appliances don't always come included with the purchase of a home, if you work with us as your realtor, we can help negotiate that into your purchase. Overall, Kolter is ideal if you're looking for a home with lots of options and a neighborhood with great amenities. Their homes are typically priced between $400,000 and $700,000 as well. Now let's talk about Mattamy Homes. They're actually the largest privately owned builder in North America and play a big role in Port St. Lucie, especially in tradition where they are the master developer. They own thousands of lots, which gives buyers a lot of options. Mattamy focuses on building homes that are affordable, modern, and family-friendly. Their neighborhoods are great for families, young professionals, and even retirees who want a suburban lifestyle. One of the things that Mattamy does really well is sustainability. They use cellulose foam insulation, which helps make their homes more energy efficient and keeps your electric bills lower. They also include French gutters that drain under the ground, which help keep your yard looking neat and prevents water runoff. Mattamy homes are built with concrete block construction and come with hurricane impact resistant windows and exterior doors, so you know they're built to last. They also use Whirlpool appliances in their home, which again, they may not come with the purchase of the home, but we can work on that. Mattamy uses tankless gas water heaters in their homes as a standard, which goes along with their energy efficient promise. Unlike Kolter, Mattamy is a spec builder, which means they build homes ahead of time and sell them as they go. This allows for a quicker move-in time, which is great if you're on a tight timeline. However, because of this process, you don't get as many options for customization as you would with Kolter. You do, however, still have the option to build a home from the ground up, just not as many customization options. Mattamy's communities are all about family-friendly living with amenities like parks, playgrounds, and fitness centers. Their homes are priced between $350,000 and $700,000, making it a solid option if you're looking for value. Let's take a moment to compare both Kolter and Mattamy side by side. Kolter is all about luxury and options. They focus on high-end finishes, lots of customization, and creating neighborhoods with a resort-style feel. They're perfect for retirees, active adults, and anyone who wants a more upscale lifestyle. Mattamy, on the other hand, focuses on affordability and family living. They build homes quickly, offer modern designs, and prioritize sustainability. They're a great fit for families, first-time buyers, and anyone who wants a move-in ready home. Kolter offers customization with their homes since they build after you sign a contract. Mattamy, as a spec builder, doesn't offer as much personalization, but their homes are ready to go when you need them. Both builders include concrete block construction and hurricane impact resistant windows and doors, but Kolter's homes have more of that luxury feel and higher ceilings and more natural light. So which builder is the best choice for you? It really depends on your needs. If you're looking for a home with plenty of customization and a neighborhood with lots of amenities, Kolter Homes is a great option. But if you're looking for an affordable, modern home in a family-friendly community, Mattamy Homes could be the right choice. Either way, I always recommend visiting these communities and seeing the homes for yourself. And of course, if you need help navigating the process, I'd love to be your guide and help you find the perfect home. We personally bought a home by Mattamy Homes in 2024, so we are well versed in the new construction process. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, I truly appreciate your time. Just a quick reminder, if you're thinking about moving to Port St. Lucie, Florida, and want to explore these beautiful homes, reach out to us before visiting the models. If you register with them first, you'll lose the right to have your own representation throughout the process. Having a knowledgeable realtor on your side makes all of the difference, and it doesn't cost you a thing. If you're considering buying new construction in the Port St. Lucie area, get your free copy of our new construction guide linked in the bio below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date on the newest home opportunities. See you next time.